my lovelies, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Well, today is my first Halloween tutorial for 2018. I have already prepped my nails with some white polish and some liquid latex, so I'm just letting that dry down before I continue. But as we're now into October, I think we're okay to go ahead with some of these Halloween tutorials now. I have seen this one online. I cannot give credit because I have, for the life of me, cannot find it anywhere. But I think I'm using the same colours as her. I don't know, but I did get inspiration from somebody that I cannot name. But we're going to go with it. Isn't it just a brilliant image? This is from the Halloween 2018 Dixie plates. I got it from Sarah, or if I can, link her up here. Otherwise, I will link her below in the description box. So what I've done is I have applied a coat of regular white polish. This is Wild White Ways by Essence. From those of you that are following me a long time, you will know it's actually my favourite white polish because it is a one coat wonder. So I'm going to do a white and black gradient. So I thought I'd go in. I actually have never used their black, I don't think, before. I only picked it up today. Black is Black. It's the same brand. So I just thought, well, usually brands go really well together. Yes, I still have my really sore nail from when I cut it in the car door. You can totally see it. I will link up below my last video where I described all about my poor little accident if you're interested in laughing at me. So we're going to go in and we are going to do a black and white gradient. I've actually repeated that step and gone over them all again one more time with the sponge. I just wanted to make that black a little bit darker, so I'm just going to knit it all together with some clear nail polish. First of all, we will go in with the famous It balloon in white, and then we will go over that with red. So unfortunately my red stamping polish is totally empty. I didn't realize that until when I went to check it right now. That did not pick up as clean as I wanted to, so I think I might just do that again actually. So this is the technique I use to create an image even smaller. So I squeeze the stamper head in my hand, which shrinks it. And when I stamp across onto the stamper head and let go of that stamper head to let it expand back to its original size, it then will automatically just pop up and the image that I have done will be smaller. Now obviously I had to redo this now because when I scraped it didn't scrape it properly, but I'm still squeezing that stamper head. So now that my clown image is dry from painting in with the white, I am just going to go over that with 2 coats of clear top coat, allow that to dry, and then I will peel it off and apply it to the nail. Here we have the final designs. I like them, they're nice. Hated the movie, it scared the living daylights out of me as a kid, but it definitely works. This plate is great for the likes of that, and there is that Friday the 13th image on it as well, so I'm going to have to incorporate that into some sort of Halloween nail too. But if you like them, guys, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, which is the round button here, and also if there's any questions or anything, of course you can leave them in the comment description box below, or there is another video for you here. Also, until the next one, stay safe. We will see you soon. Bye.